Hey guys, I'm back again with another one. Today I'm going to do a unboxing of, as you can see, it's made in China. This should work from, I think, from a 2005 to the 2012 Toyota Avalon. Most likely it probably work with the Camrys as well, and the ES350. This is the double DEN radio that I'm gonna touchscreen, of course, radio that I'm gonna unbox right now. As you can see, got the wires. I don't know what is what, but this right here. Oh, it also comes with a camera as well too. I have a camera. All the wires for the backup camera. I have some more wires. I don't know what these are for. Look like for the GPS and stuff as well too. So it's a bunch of wires in here. Get some screws. Yeah, this look more like the GPS right here. Could be the GPS or an antenna. One of them. Right here. Put that aside. Put this aside. These are two brackets, I'm thinking, on the side. And here is the radio. Oh wow. Here's the double DEN itself. It's small. I thought it was bigger, guys. I thought it was bigger. Now they put it in a Ziploc. I had got this a long time ago, but I never installed it because I had one before. This one is completely different. I don't even know what brand it is. I got to look it up. I can't remember what brand it is, and a manual should be in here. Nope, no manual. But that's, oh, well, this is, I guess this is the manual, I'm guessing, because it said car waterproof and night vision camera, but this is for only the camera part, so I'm not sure. I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out for the camera. But look at it, guys. It's touchscreen. You guys can see the reflection. It is touchscreen, and I would love to install this into my 2008 Avalon. I owned a 07 before. It wasn't this one. It was like a different one, and it was more heavier as well. The thing was more heavy. But this one, it comes with everything. It comes with GPS, of course, AM, FM, the radio, backup camera. It's full touchscreen. Yeah, everything is touched. It have the mic, like Bluetooth, of course. You have a reset button to if it's frozen up. You guys probably can't even see it really. But let me read it on top. It said mic. It said reset, RST. This is the power button right there. It's not a button, but you touched it. A power, a home, a back, volume up, and volume down. A couple years ago, I'm gonna say maybe about 3 years ago, man, times fly. When I had the 07, it's before I had bought this one. Hopefully this is not a crack. Oh my goodness. Nope, it's not a crack. I thought it was. Alright, so before I had bought the 08, I had the 07 Avalon, and I had one as well. I have a double DEN radio, and it was nice. The backup camera, the music, the GPS, everything was 100%. But that had got total in an accident, total messed up. lost. But what I remember is when I went to this place to get it installed at their shop, they had to use an extra box, like an extra thing. I can't remember the name of it, but to bypass the amplifier, because in all the Avalons they have an amplifier, and it's a stock factory. It's a factory amplifier. They have some type of box that they connect to it, I think, to bypass it. So they didn't have to do nothing else. And it also connect when they finish with it, everything works, which is, you know, the buttons on the steering wheel. You could basically turn on the volume, turn down the volume. All that works. All that works like it was basically factory setup. But they had charged like about $600, and that was back then. That was like about 3 or 4 years ago. So I wonder how much I'm gonna, if I really want to get this installed in my vehicle, I'm going to have to basically shop around and see what's the cheapest audio shop that I could go to get this installed. Because come on, man, $600, that is a lot of money. It have to be somebody else somewhere in this area that I live could probably do it cheaper. I'm gonna say, how about a good $250? You know, $250 or at least $300 max. I think that's more tolerable, or more lenient, more cheaper. That's what I'm gonna call it, because that is ridiculous. Come on, $600, man. I'm gonna have to shop around. Probably go to maybe Best Buy, maybe BrandSmart USA. But the place that I went, it's this place in Florida named the Swap Shop, and they got some guys who work on, they do tents, they work on radio audio installation. You know, they sell speakers and stuff as well. But yeah, I'm not too sure when I'm gonna able to install this, but I will give an update on that, you know, when I get back on my feet. Probably get it installed and see how it works. I know the last one that I had was, man, it was beautiful. The sound was nice. Everything works like it actually came with the car. And it was easy to use. My other one I had a remote to it. Like this one probably was a cheaper one, because this one don't even have a remote. My other one had a remote to it that I could control a couple of stuff, you know, change the channel, turn up the volume up and down, turn it off. But I'm surprised this one don't even have a remote. This one probably must be really cheap, like one of those cheap double den radios. But yeah, that's complete my video, guys. I don't know, I might shop around and see if I can find a better one, because I don't know how this one is actually gonna look. Probably gonna work and everything, but I don't know how it's gonna look. How the setup or whatever, or how the backup camera and everything is gonna look. This looks kind of cheap to me. But I got mosquitoes in here. But yeah, that's conclude my video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. I am going to try to put up the name for this one. I'm surprised. I'm gonna put the name up. Put the name up for this one. And guys, don't forget, subscribe. It is totally free. All you're going to get is when you click that subscribe button, you are going to get a notification every time I upload a new video. It's totally free of charge. They're not going to charge you on YouTube. That's ridiculous. They're not going to charge you on YouTube for subscribing to somebody's channel. It is totally free. So please subscribe, guys. I'm trying to get like those top people, 100 million, 100K subscribers, and a lot of views as well. So hope this information helps if you guys have one of those old vehicles, because I know right now a lot of new vehicles is expensive. Everything right now is expensive. Cars, everything is expensive. So thumbs up to the people who have older cars and they're still running. Yeah, they have a little problem here and there, but it's better than making hundreds of dollars payments every month. Wow, there's a lot of mosquitoes in here. I'm down here in the garage right now, guys, where all these mosquitoes came from. Most likely outside. But yeah, everything is expensive. It's better to, to keep your old car and take care of it. If you take care of your vehicle, it'll take care of you. So, and it's cheaper that way. All you pay for insurance and gas and take care of the maintenance, and you're good, instead of paying for insurance, a car note, maintenance on the vehicle, especially when your warranty goes out. It's ridiculous. And it's good to have a Toyota. They're very reliable. I have a 16-year-old car and I bought it used, and it's still running strong up to this day. I'm over 200,000 miles and that car keeps on going, and it rides smooth, quiet, it's spacious, it is nice, it's lovely. I love it. My favorite one is the 2011-2012 body style of the Toyota Avalon. I don't like the 13, I don't like the 14, I don't even think that I like the 15. But the newer ones, the last one they made was in 22. The 2019 is nice, the 18 is nice, I think the 17 is nice as well, the 22 is nice. I don't know why they discontinued the Avalon, but a lot of people wasn't buying them, mostly because everybody is running for SUVs. But that's the best car Toyota ever made. From the Camrys. The Corolla is too small, the RAV4 is too small. But if you want to go SUV, get a Highlander. It's reliable. But as for me, I love the sedan, because the sedan is longer, it's huge, it's nice, it rides good. Same engine as the ES350 Lexus. You can't beat that. Good car. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and peace. Bye bye. Take care. God bless. I'm out till I upload another one.